This video is about how to create a Tinder account. Now, after launching your Tinder app, you can start signing up with Google, Facebook, or your phone number. And to sign up with Google or Facebook, you just need to allow Tinder to access your respective accounts. And if you choose to sign up with your phone number, you need to enter your phone number, then input the code you receive from Tinder and go on to verify your email address. The next thing is to read these Tinder rules, then enter your name and birthday and select your gender. And you can also add your school, then select your interests, add your photos, and also enable your location. And if there are some people you want to avoid on Tinder, you can enter them on this screen and your account will be ready. And after creating your Tinder account, you can go on to edit your profile and make your preferred general and safety settings. And if you want to enjoy an improved Tinder experience, you can subscribe for a package. And below here, you can see other Tinder users and explore other Tinder features including your likes, favorites, matches, and messages. And to delete your Tinder account, you need to go to settings, then scroll to bottom and go on to delete your account. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.